Hey everybody, good Saturday night. I hope everybody's having a good night. I'm ready to go to bed actually, but I wanted to jump on here and show you what I have painted tonight. It is on a, not real silver, but it was a silver plate. My husband spray painted it black. And I am in a collaboration with a group of ladies over on YouTube who I had to pre-record how to paint this scarecrow on the silver plate or whatever you want to use it on. So be watching. We can't show everybody until July 1st, but once the collaboration is together, we will give you a link. Guess what? You know how when you watch me paint, I talk about everything under the sun and it gets to be 2 hours. This is in 25 minutes and it's me talking to you. It's not me talking about how hot it is here. It's not me talking about anything except what I'm doing. So I think you'll find it to be really interesting. And as soon as I get that link, it's due July 1st. I can't believe I've got it done 2 days ahead of time. Thank you, Melissa, for reminding me. But let me turn you around and we're going to work on it. First off, I gotta turn my camera because I've got lettering on here and nobody likes to watch the lettering when it's backwards. Nothing worse than that. So it turned out really cute. I'm so happy with it. So let me pull you up over here. I got some things organized today. I'm kind of like, what the heck's happening to me? Because I'm never organized. I'm never on time. She would be usually messaging me 10 minutes before it's due, saying, did you get it done? And I'd be like, oh, let me do one real quick. But we got this one done, and it looks really cute. I'm happy with this. Okay, so I got you there. Let me see. So not much to do on it. I haven't been on here for a while, a couple days. So I thought I'd jump on and see how everybody is. And hi, Maria. I just talked to you guys for a few minutes because I'm going home to bed. I'm trying to set a new schedule, and they say if you do it for 21 days in a row, it becomes a habit. So I got a few things going on in my life that I am trying to make a habit. I got rid of pop about 2 to 3 months ago. No pop. I'm hooked on those darn waters though, with all the different flavors in them. But no pop. I have been up every morning, not always early, but for the past 7 days, I have walked over to the gym and walked a mile. And then I have my license from years ago that are probably expired for silver sneakers to teach swimming exercises for silver sneakers that I never used because the ladies at our gym prefer listening to a 40-year-old tape. But so I got my silver sneakers surfboards out. We still have those over at the gym. I spent about 40 minutes in the water doing exercises. And then I'm trying to go to bed at 10 o'clock every night. So some little changes. So we'll see how I keep them up. And that's how I learned to exercise in the first place. But my hips have been so tight because I exercise, but I don't stretch. So I had to loosen up my hips. That's my goal. And you know, since we lost the dog, I don't have a reason to walk anymore. So I got to start walking again too. So, and out of 10 minutes walking, I ran the last minute. So I got to go back to the heart doctor in October. So I got to be in better shape because I like it when he tells me I have the heart of a 30-year-old because I can last a long time on the treadmill. I only do it to get that recognition. Then afterwards, I'm good for another 2 years before the next one comes up. Oh, so let's see if we're going to see comments tonight, because last time I was on here, we couldn't see comments. Oh, I see Kathy. Yes, Kelly, I do mean August 1st. Did I say July? Yes. I don't do a lot on YouTube, but I got 250 videos over there because Melissa puts them over there for me. So everything that I do on Facebook is nice and neat over there on YouTube. But she has run out of videos. She's got about 250 videos from all of my Facebook Lives where I've actually done something, because sometimes I go live just to visit. But she's got them all over there and nice and neat. But I talk too much on them, you know, just like I'm doing here. When people watch on Facebook, they don't like to hear you talking like I do. So I taped it in sections so that, you know, it wasn't an hour-long whole thing. So as soon as I get the link for that, I will let you know. Because this was a good one, and I kind of walked you through how to do it. And I don't do that many free directional tutorials, so. I'm just glad the heat wave's about over with. It's been so hot here. So isn't that cute for just a tray? In fact, she called me a couple hours ago and she goes, do you remember we have a fall? And I'm sure hoping it's fall and not Halloween, because now that I say fall, I sure hope she didn't say Halloween and I wasn't thinking when she said it. So I went and pulled something. My husband had just sprayed these trays to get them out of the garage. Otherwise, he was going to throw them in the garbage. And the other day he came in and he said, here's a couple trays. What are you going to do with them? Otherwise, they're going in the trash. And I said, I'll paint them. He knew I probably wouldn't, but he's going to be shocked. He's going to be shocked when he sees that I actually painted them. And it turned out really cute. I'm happy with it. I wanted to do, you know, one of those things where I just started painting on there. Because some people, you know, I really don't plan it out. I just kind of go with the flow, and it works better that way. So she called me a couple hours ago, said, you got it ready? And I'm like, no, what do I got to do? And said, okay, I got a tray here. Let me paint it. So I did think it turned out cute. I need some dark brown paint though. Hold on. Did you guys see the Virtual Home Decor Marketplace tonight? We only had 3 vendors on tonight, only 2 next week. Oh, those customers, if you were a customer, thank you for all the support in our Christmas and July sales. We had very little this week because everyone worked so hard on our Christmas and July that we didn't have enough products. So we're going to try to change that because they work so hard from the 1st all the way down, and usually the last week of the month is our time that we don't have as many people ready to sell. So we're going to switch that up, and on the last weekend we're going to let them just do 15 minutes instead of a half hour. And so that should boost that up. Hi, Colleen. And so, hold on, I'm trying to get some of this black out of here. And my husband's not here, so I've got to man both devices. Hold on, I'm putting out just a little bit. actually was here a little bit ago. He would have waited if I would have told him. Hi, Tammy. Oh, Tammy, I didn't do this on a live here. I pre-recorded it so that I had a nice, neat YouTube video. A YouTube instructional video. It wasn't just a video of me talking, so I did not paint this here. I'm just going back and touching it up. Cleaning it up, actually. And you know what? I did it in 26 minutes. I was like, wow, I'm on a roll here. I don't ever get anything done that quick. I need to do that more often. Maybe I'd concentrate instead of reading all the comments and getting my sitting there talking. Although that's what I love about Facebook. I'm not really a YouTube fan. I mean, I love YouTube. Me and Judge Judy are on it all day long. But I don't care for the whole format. You know, if I'm watching something, because YouTube really needs to be watched on a TV. I watch Judge Judy's on my TV, not my phone. Alright, so we got that little bit of hair up there, all shaded. Now it's not sticking out so much. But otherwise, I'm pretty good with it. Boy, I thought, when I saw my tie-dye guy, it wasn't no big deal because I don't use them anymore anyway. And he's being sold as diamond art. And somebody's got to sit and put all those little tiny diamonds, all that. I don't think anybody's going to work that hard, but I ordered some. Well, Pat, as soon as I get the link, I will let you know. So, well, I take that back. I didn't order some. I was going to order 4. I don't know why I ordered 4. And then when I saw the pictures of all the little beads that came with it, I reduced it to 1. But then I got a link. So I guess they must have posted a lot of new product, because they also have Damon's new pancake wreath on there. And they're getting brutal. You know, all I can say is I'm glad I sell my things on Facebook and I don't have to compete with all that. Because you know where they're taking your pictures from is from Etsy. And so it's like, I really don't want my stuff on Etsy anymore. I'd rather just sell it while I'm live and be done with it. So that's really good for the people on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace. They don't post pictures of everything they do. So you're always going to find original, you know, things that you're not going to find on places like that, because nobody can steal their pictures. They work hard all week. They make it. They sell it. They don't really post pictures of it. You see it in their sale. Unless somebody screenshots it, and a screenshot they can't reproduce like a straight on photo. So it's like, heck with that Etsy stuff. I'll just sell it live. I do have a few things on Etsy, but they're things that I can remake. Like, I got 2 more sitting scarecrows I've got to make this week. No, I don't think I'm selling it tonight. I didn't prep it to be for sale. I'll probably, I don't know. I should, every time I go live and paint something, I should just sell it no matter how many people are watching, because otherwise, then I gotta hold on to it, and I'm kind of like the other ladies on the marketplace. I never have time to, I never have enough product to actually make it up for a live. So when I did the 15 minutes, because usually I don't do them on Saturday mornings, I thought, this will be great. Not only did I do it for them, but I thought I could pull off a 15-minute Saturday night sale. So I kind of did it for myself too. But he did turn out cute. I do like him. And so, like I said, he was just a silver plate that picked up somewhere. Who knows how long they've been laying in the garage, because my husband said, before I spray paint this, are you going to paint it? And I'm like, no. And then he's like, okay, I'm going to throw it away. And then I'm like, yeah, go ahead. Well, if spray paint ain't cheap anymore, so if I paint it, you better use it. And I'm like, okay. Thank goodness Melissa needed something tonight. So it's great for things like that, to need it all at once. You think if the price was right, somebody would buy it? Yeah. Tomorrow night, I will be here still at 9 o'clock, but it is going to be a simple project, something like this, and you will be able to bid on it. And we'll do that one. I didn't really put any notice out that I was going to sell anything tonight. Tammy, though, loves auctions. She gets into it. But I did buy, I'll show it to you, a new picture to paint with the Halloween scene. Let me clean this up just a little bit. It's hot here, but my daughter went to St. Louis to a Cardinals game, and it's like, are you kidding me? Wouldn't that be miserable? Gas went up 49 cents a gallon? Are you kidding? Wow. That would put us over $4 at that point. Tammy's going for it. So let me show you what I got today. I'm going to flip you back around so I can grab it. Went to the thrift store today because yesterday, it's only highlighting your day.